This will be on my Instagram post day 3. I did day 1, day 2, day 3. I didn't do day 2 yet because I got injured, so I'm gonna make a post be like, so. No, dude, I'm doing
Waiting for the train.
Instagram live.
We're walking to our Airbnb now.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. What you doing? Buying his first drink from a vending machine. Look at this sweep. What, are we all vlogger now?
No.
Got our first meal in Japan. Oh my god, the petals is falling like in the anime!
Anime is real. It's all Naruto run.
We're gonna take a group photo. Oh, look at this photo shoot right here. Look at this. Sugoi! Sugoi! Wow, look at that smile! Look at that smile, Niku-san! Oh, what a journey it has been so far. We just exited the train and now we're gonna take the school shuttle into campus. When we get there, we will need to check in and get our room keys. We're now at our dorm. Our room is on the 2nd floor. We were told we have an extra roommate, so me and Tracy were taken aback at first. We didn't want to deal with some awkward roommate situation. The 3rd bed in our room ended up being broken, so Christine moved to another room anyway. But we realized later she's hella nice and cool, so it would have been so fun living with her. We were exhausted at this point. We left our luggages in our room and head to the cafeteria for lunch. The cafeteria is pretty empty today because school hasn't started yet. They have several stations of food with different variety every day. There's a section with side dishes, which can also be a meal if you get a couple of them and eat it with like rice. The food was super affordable. A meal can be as cheap as $3 or as expensive as you want, depending on how hungry or bougie you are. So I will be giving you a room tour of our dorm. I will be narrating over this because I sped up the video and my voice sounds like a freaking chipmunk. Alrighty, we got my window here, we got a tree, some nice flowers, a street, and a train track that can get very noisy sometimes. Here's my neat desk, then there's Tracy. We got 3 beds in this room. Yeah, what are you laughing at? This is the broken bed I mentioned earlier. The bed's leg in the corner is broken, so the bed tilts toward that side. We just use it as a guest bed slash sofa. We have my bed here in the middle and my makeshift trash can. And this one here is Tracy. We also got 3 closets in this room. And now I'm just showing you how I organize my clothes, but literally nobody cares, so skip! We got some rude people coming in. Excuse me, sir? Did we let you in here?
I'm trying to do. I'm bored.
And then in here, we got my outerwear selection. And a towel. And shoes are down there.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Are you gonna do this on YouTube?
Maybe, but you won't see it. So we store our luggage here at the top. And in our extra closet over here, we use it to store our dirty laundry. Yay! Nobody cares. I want nobody but you. I also store my toiletry and miscellaneous stuff here in the drawers. And that concludes our room tour. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Goodbye. Hi, so I have Nick here, and we're gonna do some Q&A because Nick studied abroad with me in Japan, and we were in a Japanese learning program at Kyoto Seika University.
Well, when I first walk in, I definitely got like, you know, one of those generic anime high school vibes coming in there. Like everything just seemed like exactly what I see in like those rural towns. Like the architecture was very similar to what you just see in any of those slice of life animes that you see. I'm just a weeb, so that, you know what, it was like as expected. You know, like walking in there, it's like, yeah, this I expected this. It's like anime is real. That's what I thought about. It's like, wow, anime is real.
I thought it was smaller than expectation. I don't know, our school was pretty big, so Seika was like kind of small. Like the school population is also small.
Yeah, that's true. It was a small school.
But the cafeteria is lit.
Yeah, good cafeteria. I don't know, because that suburban feel, there was like the suburban feel, like you said, the school is small, so that it wasn't like hustling and bustling. Like everything just seemed like really chill. And that was like perfect for what I wanted in studying abroad. Like I didn't want to be hustle and bustle. Like I just want to relax. I mean, this is like a vacation to us. You know, like we took easy classes.
But what if hustling and bustling is part of the vacation?
But I don't want that.
You can't have too much quietness, like the entire like 9 weeks we were there, 10 weeks.
Yeah, I mean, that's why we travel to those places. We go to like Shijo for the city stuff. Probably number one is food. You know, Japanese food is something about Japanese food, like just the quality of their food overall is another tier than here in America. Another thing I looked forward to was rhythm games, and we definitely played a lot of rhythm games when we went to Japan.
Like every day.
Chunetrim was our favorite rhythm game, but you'll see more of that in another vlog probably. I think Kyoto was the best spot because there's a lot of culture in Kyoto, which is where like most of our field trips were around Kyoto. That was probably the best spot. Second would probably be Tokyo.
I'm interested in if we had to not redo it. I think Kyoto was a really good spot because it was like a little bit of ruralness but a little bit of city.
Yeah.
And like we had Osaka that was like 30 minutes away. But like, you know, if I had another chance, I would like to do Tokyo because like the nightlife is livelier and there's like a bajillion different things you can do.
Yeah, that's true.
And the train system is more diverse. Like there's so many more trains and routes versus Kyoto. It's literally just one train going to our school, and like we always like on a rush trying to catch that last train.
Yeah, you're right. Probably Tokyo then.
Oh, look at that! I don't like eggs. So today has just been such a long day with orientation and a school tour. Now we're having a welcome party dinner. It's not with just our study abroad group / program, but also with other students who are studying abroad at Seika.